to my channel. In today's video, I am working with Luvme Hair. I want to thank them so much for allowing me to try out one of their wigs. So this is everything that came in my package. And the wig that I received from them was their 22-inch 360 lace frontal wig. It's pre-plucked. It's 100% human hair. The texture is water wave. This wig does come with an elastic band. It comes with a comb in the back. It comes with an adjustable straps. And again, this is a 360 lace frontal wig, so you get lace all around the perimeter, like 360 around the perimeter, and then in the middle is where the wefts are located. Alright, y'all, so I did install this wig using bedhead hardhead spray. I went ahead and pre-styled my wig off camera because I installed this wig one time before, but I was in a rush, so I had to come back and do like a reinstallation. So this is pretty much like a reinstallation of the wig, okay? So yeah, again, I used bedhead hardhead spray for a temporary hold. And as you're gonna see in the video, I did do like a cute little quick updo with a claw clip, just to show you all that you can wear this wig up in high buns or high ponytails if you would like. And because of the lace in the back, it looks or mimics as if it's like your hair in the back. When I put my hair in the claw clip, I did not adhere the lace in the back, so I just pretty much used a bobby pin to keep it down, and the comb that's in the back, I used the comb and bobby pins to keep it down and fluffed it out in the back. But if you're extra and you're bougie, or if you have a specific look you're going for where you need to glue it down, you can definitely glue down the back because it's lace in the back. But yeah, y'all, I love this texture. I love how full it got. I want to say this is a 180% density. If I'm lying, I do have all of the information and specs for this wig, as well as the company in my description box. So be sure to check them out. But yeah, y'all, this wig is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the clips. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching another one of my videos, and big thank you to Luvme Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video.
Over there, just chilling with your girlfriends. Can't believe looking at me. I can tell by your eyes that you're fake.